Description: the BaBylissPRO Nano titanium hairdryer features 2000-watt power, lightweight, ergonomic handling for less hand fatigue. Nano titanium ionic technology means hair dries faster, with less frizz. Benefits: this lightweight dryer uses ionic technology to create gentle, even heat. Hair dries faster with less frizz. Suggested use: great for all hair types including thick, coarse hair. This blow dryer helps reveal shiny, healthy-looking hair. Top reviews from the United States. So far this dryer is the best I have tried. This dryer is lightweight, ergonomic, dries quickly and does not feel damaging. I use it on high wind power and medium heat. I have had a lot of expensive and middle-of-the-road dryers, and this one is so far my favorite. Just don't bother buying the warranty that is offered. I normally never get those things, but after my previous dryer, a $230 Dyson Shark, died after only a few months of use, I decided to buy the $7.99 warranty on this one. It was never delivered, by email or otherwise, and I ended up requesting my money back on it.